Tired of Kvcore's limitations and ready to unlock a smoother, more powerful CRM experience? Then, let's switch to Follow Up Boss. First, we need to get your data out of Kvcore. Log into your Kvcore account and look for the Export Data option, which is usually found in the Admin or Marketing section. Click on it and request a full export of your contacts, leads, and any relevant notes or data. Once you have your exported file, most likely in CSV format, log into your Follow Up Boss account if you don't have one already. Create a new account. Look for the Import option. This is often found in the Admin or Settings area. Now, upload the CSV file you exported from Kvcore. Follow Up Boss will guide you through mapping the columns from your CSV file to the corresponding fields in Follow Up Boss, like name, email, and phone number. Be sure to double-check that all the data matches. Once your data is in, take some time to configure your settings in Follow Up Boss. Set up your email integrations, connect your phone system, and customize any lead routing rules. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard, smart lists, and reporting features. These are the key to unlocking Follow Up Boss's power. Congratulations, you've successfully switched to Follow Up Boss. Now you can leverage its robust CRM capabilities for improved lead management and sales performance.